Have you ever been told that getting older automatically means losing your energy, your drive, and your performance in the bedroom? What if I told you that's simply not true? The decline many men experience in their 60s, 70s, and beyond isn't just about age. In fact, in many cases, it comes down to something surprisingly simple: a quiet deficiency in just a few key vitamins. Nutrients your body depends on for blood flow, energy, and hormonal balance. And here's the good news: when you address these deficiencies, many men rediscover the vitality, stamina, and intimacy they thought were gone forever. Welcome to the Healthy Body. Dr. Alex here. Today we're diving into 3 essential vitamins every man over 60 needs to know about: vitamin D, vitamin B12, and vitamin E. I'll explain how they work together to restore energy, circulation, and hormonal support, how to avoid the common mistakes most men make with supplements, and how you can apply this knowledge to feel younger, stronger, and more alive. Before we get started, if you're passionate about healthy aging, boosting vitality, and learning practical, science-backed ways to support your body, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We post weekly tips designed to help both men and women stay strong, energized, and confident at any age. Now let's get into it. Picture this: a man walks into my clinic. He's disciplined, he exercises, he eats well, but he quietly admits something that frustrates him deeply. Dr. Alex, I still want to be intimate, but my body just isn't responding. This is a story I've heard countless times. And often, the first thing I check isn't testosterone, and it isn't medication. It's vitamin D. Most people think of vitamin D only as the bone health vitamin, or something related to immunity. But research paints a very different picture. Peer-reviewed studies, including those published in the Journal of Sexual Medicine, show that vitamin D is directly linked to how well your blood vessels relax and expand. Why does that matter? Because an erection is a vascular event. Without proper dilation of your blood vessels, circulation simply can't deliver the firmness or endurance you want. Here's the physiology in plain English. When vitamin D levels are low, your body produces less nitric oxide. That's the signaling molecule that tells your blood vessels to relax and open up. Without it, blood flow slows down, especially to sensitive areas. Have you ever noticed your energy dipping in the winter months? Or maybe intimacy feels more difficult after spending long periods indoors? That's not just coincidence. Over 40% of men over 60 are deficient in vitamin D, and the percentage skyrockets in winter or in men with darker skin tones. The good news is that correcting vitamin D deficiency is simple. Just 15 to 20 minutes of early morning sunlight can stimulate natural vitamin D production. Fatty fish like salmon, fortified dairy, and egg yolks are solid food sources. And if diet and sunlight aren't enough, supplementing with vitamin D3, not D2, which is far less bioavailable, can restore healthy levels. When men get their vitamin D back to optimal ranges, they often report more energy, sharper focus, and yes, firmer erections. This isn't magic. It's your physiology working the way it's supposed to. So let me ask you, have you had your vitamin D levels checked recently? If not, this is a simple blood test that can provide life-changing insight. Let me know in the comments if that's something you've ever done. So far, we've learned that vitamin D isn't just for bones. It's a circulation powerhouse, a foundation for sexual health, energy, and confidence. But circulation is only half the story. To keep things going, you also need cellular energy. That's where vitamin B12 comes in. Imagine this: you're eating well, you're sleeping 8 hours a night, but you still feel exhausted. Your mind is foggy, you're sluggish, and when it's time for intimacy, the energy just isn't there. That's the classic signature of vitamin B12 deficiency. And in my experience, it's one of the most overlooked issues in men over 60. Vitamin B12 is essential for energy production at the cellular level. Think of it as the spark plug that helps your body turn food into fuel. Without it, even the healthiest diet can leave you feeling drained. But here's the kicker: B12 doesn't just power your muscles. It's also critical for brain function, hormone synthesis, and red blood cell formation. Red blood cells are what carry oxygen to every tissue in your body, including your heart, your brain, and your reproductive system. Without enough oxygen, everything slows down. According to the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, even men with normal labs can feel fatigue, brain fog, and reduced endurance if their B12 is low. And here's the problem. As we age, our stomach produces less of a compound called intrinsic factor, which is necessary to absorb B12 from food. That means you could be eating steak, eggs, and dairy regularly, and still be deficient. Studies show that up to 30% of adults over 60 struggle with some degree of B12 malabsorption. That's why so many men in this age group suddenly notice fatigue or low libido creeping in, and mistakenly assume it's just aging. The solution is straightforward. Supplementation with methylcobalamin, the active, bioavailable form of B12, can make a dramatic difference. Some men may even benefit from B12 injections if absorption is severely impaired. When levels are restored, men often describe clearer thinking, improved stamina, and a stronger drive, both mentally and physically. Here's a question for you. Have you ever tried a B12 supplement, and did you notice a change in your energy? Share your experience in the comments below. It helps others learn from real-life stories. So now we have circulation from vitamin D and cellular energy from vitamin B12. But there's still a missing piece, protecting your blood vessels and your hormones from the silent damage caused by oxidative stress. And that's where vitamin E steps in. Many men I meet are doing almost everything right. They're exercising, eating well, taking care of themselves, but they still don't feel like their old selves. Motivation drops, recovery slows, and they say, "Dr. Alex, something just feels off." Often the hidden factor is vitamin E. Vitamin E is one of the most powerful antioxidants in nutrition. That means it helps neutralize oxidative stress and inflammation, the two silent forces that accelerate aging, stiffen blood vessels, and reduce hormone production. Research from the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology shows that oxidative stress doesn't just damage blood vessels. It also disrupts testosterone production. In other words, chronic low-grade inflammation can literally interfere with your body's ability to make and use testosterone. Vitamin E acts like a shield. It protects your blood vessels, supports circulation, and preserves testosterone production in Leydig cells, the hormone-producing factories in your testes. After age 60, when testosterone naturally declines by about 1 to 2% per year, this protection becomes even more important. But here's something most men don't know. Not all vitamin E is the same. The cheap synthetic version you find in many store-bought supplements usually contains only one form, alpha-tocopherol. But your body actually needs a mix of tocopherols and tocotrienols to get the full benefit. The best sources? Natural foods like almonds, sunflower seeds, olive oil, and leafy greens. If you choose to supplement, look for a formula labeled natural mixed tocopherols, not just synthetic alpha. Now think about this. When you combine vitamin E's vascular protection with vitamin D's nitric oxide boost and vitamin B12's energy production, you create an environment much closer to what your body had decades earlier. This isn't artificial stimulation. It's simply restoring the natural synergy your body was designed to have. By the way, if you're finding this helpful so far, make sure you hit subscribe. That way you won't miss future videos where we explore more science-backed strategies to support healthy aging, vitality, and longevity for both men and women. When I look at men who make the most dramatic transformations, it's rarely because they fixed just one deficiency. It's because they optimized all three together. Here's how the synergy works. Vitamin D opens the blood vessels. Vitamin B12 ensures oxygen-rich blood is delivered efficiently. Vitamin E protects those vessels and supports testosterone production. Together, they create a cascade of benefits: better energy, improved focus, stronger libido, and greater confidence. Studies confirm that men with optimal levels of D, B12, and E outperform their deficient peers in nearly every area of vitality. This combination supports not just sexual health, but whole body wellness. Your heart, brain, muscles, and mood all benefit. It's like restoring your body's engine, circulation system, and fuel efficiency all at once. Now let's talk about mistakes. The first mistake is assuming all vitamins are created equal. They're not. Synthetic D2, cyanocobalamin B12, and isolated alpha-tocopherol E are poorly absorbed and less effective. The second mistake is inconsistency. You can't fix a long-term deficiency with a supplement you take once in a while. These nutrients require steady daily support. And the third mistake is neglecting lifestyle. Supplements can help tremendously, but pairing them with balanced nutrition, movement, and sleep supercharges the results. Here's a practical baseline protocol. Vitamin D3, 2 to 4,000 IU daily, or 15 to 20 minutes of sunlight in the morning. Vitamin B12, 1 to 2,000 micrograms of methylcobalamin daily, ideally with a protein-rich breakfast. Vitamin E, prioritize food sources, or use a natural mixed tocopherol supplement if needed. Stick with this consistently, and research shows most men begin noticing improvements in 4 to 8 weeks, not just in intimacy, but in overall vitality, mood, and sleep. And if you want to take it further, consider a natural nitric oxide booster made from watermelon extract, which is rich in L-citrulline. This supports vitamin D's effect on circulation, and can enhance blood flow even more. So let's bring it all together. Vitamin D restores circulation. Vitamin B12 powers your energy. Vitamin E protects your vessels and hormones. Together, they form a nutritional foundation for healthy aging, stronger intimacy, and greater vitality. If you've been feeling tired, disconnected, or frustrated with your performance, don't assume it's just age. Get your levels tested, start a targeted plan, and give your body the support it deserves. If this video resonated with you, make sure you subscribe to The Healthy Body. We release weekly science-backed strategies to help you improve your energy, circulation, and overall well-being. And if you're ready for the next step, check out my upcoming video on natural foods and herbs that support circulation and hormone health. A perfect companion to what we covered today. Until then, take care of your body, because you're worth feeling good every single day.